everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to what's going to be another journal. We're not going to get wild and crazy with this one. I'm just going to get it started. You're going to need, I've chose a little golden book and I'm going to alter it. You can choose whatever you like. And then once you've chosen your book and you've chosen your paper, we're going to do something I watched Miss Etta do. And I'll put a link to her channel in the description box so you can follow along. And as I usually say, I'm just going to pick a journal, pick an idea and show, whoa, that was not what I wanted to do, and show you guys how to do something. You know, it doesn't always have to be I'll show you how to make, like, do tutorials on how to make this or how to make that. Okay, we're gonna go, I'm just using some book repair tape to fix this cover. So if you're gonna use a little golden book, this one, what we're gonna do with this one, you do not have to let's see, we got that good. Yeah. You don't have any special trimming to do unless you just want to. Alright, and then I'm going to put one here because that one started to split and we need them whole and intact. And what did I think this was double-sided tape? It is, see? That's sticky also, so I'm going to leave this outer edge on until I get a piece of paper to put on the inside or fabric. I was like, for some reason or for whatever reason, I honestly thought this was double-sided binding. Seemed like binding. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. Alright, so what you will need to do, I keep my pages intact, so there we go. You will need to cut these because they have to remain intact. It's funny how they do these in signatures, actually. Kind of cool. Alright, so we're going to do these, like I said. This will be the front. We're going to do it in order of pages, right? So this is how far we're just going to get today, is the introduction. And I'll show you. Okay, I saw Miss Etta do it, and she said she saw Amity Bloom do it. So credits going out to both these beautiful, beautiful creators. Miss Etta's one of my favorites. Okay, so now you're going to have a stack, right? You do not want to get these out of order. You're going to need them. Now I'm going to do different things inside, okay? Let me show you. These will stay remaining just like they are, and then these ones will stay like they are. Okay? Not a whole lot going on there until we get to the decorative stage, but let me show you the two ways, the way I saw Etta do it, and then the way I want to do it. Because I played around with it a little bit, and I figured out a different way. So now I only found my way, but that's okay. I'll find the other one. Just hang tight there, looking at what we're looking at. And I can show you on here the difference. Okay, so the way they did theirs was they took their pages and they folded them, okay? So whatever she said, the other lady did hers with book pages. I'm doing mine with book pages, but they're like a Western flowers. So it was a botanical flower book, okay? So then she got them all folded, and what she did was she ran a bead of glue along each page and glued them together. Okay, she just glued them together. But the thing I found was, yes, this one opened up nicely, but for me, because I'm heavy with glue, this one kind of stuck. Now, the other lady did hers, so these were all pockets. Etta modified hers a little bit more, and I'm going to modify mine. All right, so that's the way they did theirs. Now, I did mine, and I wish I could remember the name of this format, but it's like when you glue your envelopes together. So see, this one opens up nice, and then I went through and I added these strips. So I glued my pages together with a strip of 2-inch paper folded in half, and then I glued these two together, right? And then I flipped it over and I glued this page also with it. Okay, so when we get to the altered book, you'll see it again. See, I just did the strips, and so that gives you wiggle room. And no matter where you are in your journal, it opens up flat. So you can embellish on top of it. You can glue these down. This is going to be the cover. Our Winnie the Pooh guy won't have a cover. Well, his first page won't look like this. His first page will be on here. It will be glued. So you see how it looks? And then the last page will, of course, be glued to this side. So if you want to jump in and join me in this altered little golden book, get yourself some scrapbook paper and or coffee dyed paper or book pages. I may have a book big enough for this, and we're going to alter this book by that same means. So you'll open up this page, and then there'll be a page here and a flat page. Then you'll turn that, and that'll be the next page. So on and so forth. The book will remain in order of how you would read it. So that's what we're doing next. And I do have coffee dyed paper, and I also have brown paper. So I feel like for this one, you know how we cut up that, I cut up that feed bag for the other one. The one I just did the videos on last week. You'll see it. It's and I'll dig it out for next week's video. But anyhow, this is what you'll need. And hopefully we'll come out with a nice, chunky, hefty little journal. And then we'll figure out how to embellish the front. Won't be too much on here. I don't know yet. I was thinking about maybe a paper mache balloon with the real string. I don't know. I don't know yet. Winnie the Pooh, the honey tree. So now Winnie the Pooh is public domain. Isn't that cool? Meaning you can buy scrapbook paper Winnie the Pooh style. So maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll look for some Winnie the Pooh paper. So there we go. We'll have fun with this one. We'll be doing some stuff. We'll hang in there. And then this one, when I'm done with it, I'm going to put it in my coffee shop for sale. So this one will be one I want to get done to the finish. Okay, so again, if you want to join me on this, get you any book that you want, or go get you a little golden book. Most of our thrift stores have them. And join in with me. Okay? I'll see you on Thursday with something else that we'll put in here. Oh no, actually I need to do the tutorial. I'll figure it out that week, guys. I'll get it all put together and we'll have some fun with this. So gather your tools, gather your inks, gather your glues, gather your little golden book and brown paper bags or whatever you choose to use. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.